Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So today we have another question from Math Olympiad. If you see here, this question is little bit complicated. We need to understand it carefully. We are given a big rectangle and that big rectangle is divided into 5 or 6 rectangles here, right? 6 rectangular parts it is divided. Then they say that we are giving you the area of 5 rectangles, one, two, three, four, 5, and we need to find out the area of this 6 rectangle, right? So this sixth one we need to find the area. Whatever is the unit, we do not know that, okay? So whatever is the unit, that will be same for everything, right? Every rectangle, meter or centimeter is like that, okay? The thing is, they are giving us option that whether the area of this sixth part will be 14, 15, 16, 18 or 20 like that, right? So let us proceed this question. So if we look at it carefully, we will try to solve it in parts, okay? So we will not complicate everything together. First of all, we will try to solve this part, okay? We will try to solve this thing. Let's see what do we have here. If you look here, I will say this is A, this is B, then this is also B. Since this is a rectangle, so opposite sides are equal, right? And I say this is C and this will be B, right? So I'm just writing all the sides what I am taking. I'm supposing that, okay? Why? This is 24. So A and B can be 8 times 3, right? Because it is rectangle. Area will be like when we multiply length and breadth, we will get the area of rectangle, right? So let us proceed it slowly. First I will write the area of this rectangle and I know that AB is equal to 24, right? Okay. And then I know that BC is equal to 24. If you see here, BC is equal to 12, right? If you see here, we have two equations and three variables. So somehow we need to eliminate one of the variable or two variables so we can just simplify our question, right? So let us try to eliminate. If I say that B is 24 by A, okay, what is B? 24 by A, okay, then I will substitute the value of B here. I get 24 by A times C is equal to 12, right? If I divide by 12 on both sides and multiply by A on both sides, what will happen? I will just cancel out A, cancel out 12 and cancel out this. I will get this. A is equal to 2C. Are you getting it? What did I get? That A is 2C. So that means instead of this A variable here, I can write this as 2C. Are you getting my point? So this whole side, if you see this whole side, I will mark it in black now. This whole side is what? 3C. This whole side is equal to 3C. Out of this one is double of this side, right? Okay. And this is same, breadth is same. So that means this area is half of this whole area, right? Okay, for now we leave it here. Whatever we wanted, we have got that. Now we have only two variables. Earlier we had three variables here, but now we have only two variables. Those are B and C, right? So I will just wipe it, clean it, okay? Okay, what do we have here now? If we look at these two rectangles, this one and this one, okay? I do not know what is this side. Suppose I say this is D, okay, and this will also be D then, right? Because opposite sides are equal. And I know that this is C, so this is also C, right or not? Right. So now we come to this thing. I do not know what is this. This one is D, I know, right? Breadth is D. This one I say suppose E. Now here again we have three variables. Let us see what are those variables. I know CD is equal to 18, right? C times D for this rectangle. C times D is 18. And for this rectangle, D times E is what? 9. Now here as well, I will try to remove the variables. Okay, let us see. We have D as 18 by C here from this equation, right? So here what do? I just substitute 18 by C times E is equal to 9, right? Okay, so I will multiply with C on both sides and I will divide by 9 on both sides. I get here, what do I get here? I get C is equal to 2E, or you can say E is equal to C by 2. Why I am writing E in terms of C? Because here as well I have variable C and C. So instead of writing it as another variable, I am writing E as C by 2. What is E? C by 2, right? So now I will just clean this here. Now our question is getting much simpler here. Instead of E, we have C. Instead of A, we have C. So the question is becoming in one variable now. Let us see. This whole side we know. So I will just highlight it with this. This whole side, if you see here, this is 3C, right? So that means this side will also be equal to 3C. And out of this whole 3C, we have this C plus C by 2, that is 3C by 2, that is half. So this one, the remaining part is also equal to 3C by 2. Are you getting it? Because we know that since this side is 3C, that means this side is also 3C. And this, if we add this C by 2 and this C, if we add this, it will become 3C by 2. And the remaining is also 3C by 2. So what will I do? I will write this remaining as 3C by 2. So that means now the question is, so we are solving this question. That means this side and this side are equal. Okay, I will highlight it. Okay, so this side and this side are equal. That means, so, and if you see, this side is equal to this side is equal to this side. So whatever is the length here and whatever is the breadth here, length time breadth is 42, right? And this length is also same and this length is also same breadth. So this should also be equal to 42, this whole area, right? If this whole area should be equal to 42, this means we have here 9 plus 18. I don't know what is this. Okay, I don't know what is this thing, so I will write x is equal to 42. So x will be equal to 42 minus 9 minus 18, right? So if you subtract here 42 minus 27, and that will be equal to 15. So that means area of this part is what? 15, right? So B is the right answer. Okay. So this question was not hard at all, right? It was looking hard, looking complicated. But the thing was we just did it step by step. We did this step first and then we came to this thing and then we generalize everything, right? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for many such questions. This is from Kangaroo Traveling in Sweden, this question, and it has come in Maths Olympiad as well in other countries. Okay, so if you like it, visit my channel for more such videos, and if you like to solve maths riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.